Have you ever wondered how AI decides which word to focus on in a sentence? How does it know what matters, what doesn't, instantly? I'm Sri from TechieTalksAI, and in this segment, we'll crack one of the most important ideas in modern AI: query, key, and value, or simply QKV. This single idea powers transformers, ChatGPT, Gemini, and almost every modern LLM. Let's look at the top section, the three core roles. It is important that we understand this well. Query Q asks the question. Think of query as the current word asking for help. Every word in a sentence silently asks, what information do I need to understand myself correctly? So query represents intent, not meaning, but need. Just like a student raising their hand, can someone explain this part to me? That question is the query. And what is the key? A label for matching. Each word advertises what it's about using a compact label. Keys are lightweight, optimized for fast comparison, not full meaning. Think of them as tags, index cards, or labels. I might be relevant for this kind of question. That is a key. So here what we need to emphasize is key is a compact, lightweight signal. And finally, the value, the rich information payload. Value is the actual meaning, the content, the knowledge. This is what gets delivered only after a match is made. So query asks, key decides relevance, value delivers meaning. This separation is intentional and powerful. Now we will go slightly deeper. Why there is a separation between the key and the value? Why can't key itself deliver the value? Think of a library search. Imagine you walk into a massive library. You don't open every book to find one topic. Instead, you check the index cards or the tags. That is the key. Once you find the match, you retrieve the book. That is the value. The key is just for searching fast. The value is for reading deeply. That is exactly how attention works. Now let's look at this right bottom section of the graphics. Imagine if every index card contained the entire book. You would be forced to read everything, compare everything, waste time and energy. That is what happens when key and values are merged. Technically, it causes noisy attention, slower learning, and poor generalization. That is why transformers never do matching on raw meaning. So let's sink this in. Key is for deciding who matters. Value is for deciding what they contribute. This one sentence unlocks attention mechanisms. So let's bring it back to language. In a sentence like, the tired robot dropped its tool because it ran out of battery. Let's take the word it. Query asks, who is it? And the keys of the words advertise robot, tool, battery. And value supplies the content, meaning. We will go slightly deeper into this. Model doesn't guess, it matches and then it retrieves. So for the token it, model internally forms a query that roughly encodes, I am a pronoun. I need to know which earlier noun I refer to. So Q is a vector representing the need for an antecedent. Then what are the keys? Each earlier word advertises itself via a key. A compact label. Remember the index cards in a library. The word robot advertises animate agent, can act, can be tired. The tool word can have keys, inanimate object gets dropped. And the battery word could have the keys, energy source can run out. You getting the idea? These keys are not the full meanings, just signals used for relevance comparison. And finally, what exactly is value? V. V is the full semantic contribution vector for each word. I will explain what this means. For the word robot, V could be agentness, capability to act, subject of verbs, fatigue, intentionality, and the V of tool could be objectness, can be possessed, can be dropped, but not tired. Battery, the value of battery could be energy source, depletion state, causal role. So most important thing is value is not the word string. Value is not a label like robot. Value is not one hot ID. It is a dense vector encoding everything the model knows that this word can contribute to the meaning. So just to explain it visually, the entire input sequence will become embedding vectors encoded with positions. Okay, now each of these embedding vector will have the semantic meaning at this state. So somewhere in this multi-dimensional space, this embedding, this token is existing with its existing level of meaning, semantic meaning. Now, every other word's value vector has the capability to nudge the word to more semantically meaningful position in that space. So V is the matrix with the ability to enrich the semantic meaning of the word. That is all we need to know at this stage. When we get into the calculation, this will become clearer and we will know that it is much simpler than trying to explain it. But this high level understanding is important. Let's repeat this mathematically. What does the model actually do? Relevance check. It will first do the relevance check. Model compute similarity. That is, query matrix of it, dot product, key matrix of robot. It will do that with every other word that appeared before. Because of the phrase ran out of battery, the key of robot scores highest. Why? Since running out of battery typically applies to an agent that operates, not the battery itself or the tool. And the whole process happens during the training process. Then pulling the value. Once robot wins the match, the model pulls the value vector of the robot. So that is the semantic features of the robot, the direction to which the word has to be pushed, direction to which the word it needs to be pushed. That is, it needs to be pushed closer to the word robot. So enrich the word it so that it is closer to the word robot. And then it gets weighted by the attention score, gets injected into the contextual meaning of it. So it becomes semantically enriched to mean robot. So in a single sentence, value V is the meaning that gets copied into the current word after relevance is decided. In this case, V is the semantic meaning vector of the robot. So final mental model, say this confidently, keys are used to choose the source, values are used to copy meaning from that source. Thank you for your time. This is Sri from Techie Talks AI. Our goal is not to overwhelm you with formulas, but to fix mental models. Once QKV clicks at this level, transformers stop feeling magical, they start feeling logical. If this explanation made things clearer, you're already thinking like an AI engineer. And if you want personal guided clarity, where no question is rushed, that is exactly what we do through one-on-one mentoring at Techie Talks AI. Remember, AI doesn't understand like humans. It asks, it matches, and retrieves meaning beautifully and mathematically. See you in the next breakdown. Bye-bye. Struggling with tech? Stop wasting time guessing. MentorXpert gives you direct one-to-one guidance to learn faster, build smarter, and solve problems instantly. Your personal tech mentor is one session away.